Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I have the Toshiba washing machine. This washing machine customer has called me. Water is not filling inside. Yeah. So let's see how to check it. At first we have to turn on and then turn on the machine. Yeah. So it's spinning. Yeah. Now supposed to get water. Okay, there is not filling water. Okay, then we have to see the AC voltage. Yeah, AC voltage present or not. Yeah, see we have AC voltage 42 volt. So we have AC volt present. So that means our PCB board is okay because we have AC volt present. So that means our we have to change this water inlet bulb. Yeah, see there is no water inside. Yeah, not filling water. So I'll change this inlet bulb, then we will be back. Yeah. Okay dear bears, I have changed this water inlet bulb. So let's see, check it, turn it on, start. Yeah, it's turning. Yeah, alhamdulillah, water is filling. So alhamdulillah, so by this theory you can check, you can do by yourself. Yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.